The best states to invest in real estate. This is Ken Van Liew, #1 international best-selling author of The Modern Wealth Building Formula, How to Master Real Estate Investing. I wanted to take a little time to tell you a little bit about the demographics that we're taking advantage through the country. 10 of the states that we are looking at right now, I'm going to share with you so that you can get a little data on these 10 states and you can move into those states like us. We just got back from North Carolina last week where we picked up 45 acres. So I want to go through this with you so you get familiar with the states where there's opportunities and you can focus on going there too. The best states to invest in real estate start out with North Carolina. The median home cost down there is around $187,000, but they have a growth rate of 8.5 in the last 12 months. You know, compared to the U.S. average, also the cost of living is about 9.4% lower, and it's a big state for renters. Close to 30% of the population is renters. Tennessee is another good state. If you want a good return on your investment, definitely consider buying in Tennessee. Missouri is another great state. Idaho, the median home costs a little higher, $263,000. However, there has been a 14% growth rate in the last 12 months. The cost of living is also 2.3 lower in the U.S. In North Carolina, I didn't mention, it's almost 9% lower. Georgia is another great state. Among the population, 30% are also renters. Florida is one of the more expensive states on the list. However, there's still great investments in Florida. 7, Alabama. The cost of living in Alabama, 70% lower than across the country. Texas, compared to U.S. averages, cost of living 6% lower. Median home prices pretty much average across the board. Among the population, 33% are renters again. And the final state is Indiana. Median home costs $142,000, 8.9 growth rate over the last 12 months. And you know what? I actually forgot about Ohio. It's another great place. Median home price $140,000, 6.5 growth rate compared to the national average. They're 17% lower in the cost of living. Ohio is a great state to invest in. We have not moved into Ohio yet. We've been focused in Long Island, Florida, Texas, and this information is valuable for me. But how does it all start when you want to go into different states? It starts out by creating relationship equity with people that are from that area. In other words, having boots on the ground, people that have the relationships. Why, as you've heard me say many, many times before, why reinvent the wheel? Bring somebody into the picture that knows the area, knows the turf. Create a formation agreement with them. Give them a partnership. Give them opportunity to get ownership. People that leave companies because they don't have ownership. Why not create a company that people want to work for you? And this is an opportunity for you to build a company and go nationwide. So I wanted to give you a little bit of information, just some brief stats, nothing to go crazy about, to make you aware. You'll always hear about sensory acuity, me mention about sensory acuity, awareness, getting rid of your blind spots. Well, here's a couple blind spots. There's 10 states out there that you could study, learn the statistics, because they all have opportunities in real estate. If you like what you're hearing, keep coming back to my YouTube channel. We're going to keep doing research, keep helping you move your life forward, move your real estate career occupation forward, make a transition in your life, whatever it may be. Come here, check it out our social media, and make it a great day.